Imagine waking up to see $500 added to your bank account every single day. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's the potential of high-ticket affiliate marketing. Let's dive in and unravel this intriguing concept. High-ticket affiliate marketing is the practice of promoting products or services that offer substantial commission rates. Unlike regular affiliate marketing where you might earn a few dollars for each sale, high-ticket affiliate marketing can yield hundreds or even thousands of dollars from a single transaction. Now you may be wondering, what makes high-ticket affiliate marketing so lucrative? The answer lies in the type of products promoted. These aren't your everyday items. They're high-value products or services, often in the realm of digital products, online courses, luxury items, or professional services. When you make a sale, you're not getting a tiny slice of the pie. You're getting a substantial chunk. The difference between regular affiliate marketing and high-ticket affiliate marketing is like the difference between fishing in a pond and fishing in an ocean. In a pond, you might catch a small fish after hours of waiting, but in the ocean, there's the potential to catch a massive tuna that's worth a fortune. That's the potential of high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now imagine earning $500 a day. That's right, not a week, not a month, but every single day. That's around $150,000 a year just from promoting high-value products. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a business model that requires strategic planning, smart execution, and a little bit of patience. So, are you ready to dive into the ocean and catch that massive tuna? Are you eager to discover the strategies that can help you unlock the potential of high-ticket affiliate marketing? Are you curious about how to turn this dream into reality? Stay tuned to find out. Like any business venture, affiliate marketing comes with its own set of challenges. And it's these challenges that often separate the successful marketers from those who falter. The first hurdle many face is the issue of low commissions. It's not uncommon for affiliate marketers to promote products that yield small margins. This means that in order to generate substantial income, high sales volumes are required, which can be a daunting task, especially for beginners. Then there's the fierce competition. As affiliate marketing has become more popular, the marketplace has become crowded. Countless marketers are vying for the attention of the same audience, promoting similar products. This competition makes it harder to stand out, requiring innovative and unique marketing strategies to capture the attention of potential buyers. Further complicating matters is the difficulty in finding high-ticket affiliate programs. High-ticket items are those that come with hefty price tags and, consequently, hefty commissions. These are the golden geese of affiliate marketing. But finding these programs can be like searching for a needle in a haystack. They're not always advertised, and they often require a proven track record in affiliate marketing before they'll even consider letting you promote their products. And let's not forget about the challenge of the constantly evolving digital landscape. With ever-changing algorithms, new social media platforms popping up, and the fickle nature of online audiences, staying relevant and visible is a constant battle. But here's the thing, these challenges are not insurmountable. In fact, they're what make affiliate marketing such an exciting and rewarding venture. It's these hurdles that test your mettle, fuel your creativity, and push you to continuously learn and adapt. Yes, the road to affiliate marketing success is laden with challenges. But remember this, every challenge presents an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to prove your worth in this competitive space. Overcoming these challenges may seem tough, but the rewards are worth the effort. Let's explore how to navigate these hurdles. And remember, the journey to earning $500 a day through high-ticket affiliate marketing starts with understanding these challenges and crafting strategies to overcome them. Strategy is the key to success in high-ticket affiliate marketing. It's not just about finding the right program, but also about optimizing conversions and scaling your earnings. Let's start with finding high-ticket affiliate programs. The first step is choosing a niche. It's essential to select a niche that not only interests you, but also has a high demand and profitability. The trick is to find a balance between your passion and the market's profitability. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to research and find high-ticket affiliate programs that offer products or services within your niche. Next, understanding your audience is crucial. You need to know who they are, what they want, and how they search for information. This understanding will help you create content that resonates with them, leading to higher conversions. Remember, in high-ticket affiliate marketing, you're not just selling a product, you're solving a problem. So, identify your audience's pain points and present your affiliate product as the solution. Optimizing your marketing efforts is another critical strategy. This involves testing and tweaking your sales funnel to maximize conversions. For instance, you might experiment with different lead magnets, email sequences, or landing pages to see what works best. Remember, the goal is to turn prospects into customers and, ultimately, into repeat buyers. Finally, scaling your earnings. Once you've found a high-ticket affiliate program that converts well, it's time to scale up. This could mean increasing your ad spend, expanding your content marketing efforts, or leveraging SEO to attract more organic traffic. The key here is to maintain a positive return on investment while growing your business. With the right strategies, high-ticket affiliate marketing can become a lucrative venture. But what principles should guide these strategies? Success in high-ticket affiliate marketing is not just about strategy. It's also about adhering to some key principles. So let's dive into these principles that can help you navigate the often turbulent waters of high-ticket affiliate marketing. Firstly, building trust is paramount. This isn't a one-night stand, it's a long-term relationship. You're courting your audience, and trust is the cornerstone of this relationship. How do you build this trust? By being transparent, consistent, and reliable. Always deliver on your promises, be clear about your affiliations, and consistently provide value. Remember, trust is hard to earn, but easy to lose. Secondly, creating valuable content is key. This isn't just about promoting products, it's about providing a service. Your content should educate, inform, entertain, or solve a problem for your audience. High-quality content is what will set you apart from the competition, and it's what will keep your audience coming back for more. So invest time and effort into creating content that your audience will love and find useful. Thirdly, focus on building long-term relationships. This isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. High-ticket affiliate marketing is about nurturing relationships with your audience and with the companies whose products you promote. It's about understanding your audience's needs and wants, and finding the right products to meet those needs. It's about partnering with companies that share your values and complement your brand. Lastly, never stop learning. The world of affiliate marketing is constantly evolving, and you need to stay ahead of the curve. So keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep adapting. Your success in high-ticket affiliate marketing will depend on your ability to stay flexible and responsive to changing trends and consumer behaviors. These principles are the foundation of a successful, high-ticket affiliate marketing venture. Are you ready to start your journey? So you've got the potential, the challenges, the strategies, and the principles. Now it's time to take action. Let's quickly revisit what we've covered. High-ticket affiliate marketing is not just a dream, it's a tangible goal, a reality that you can attain. We've outlined the common roadblocks you might encounter: low commissions, stiff competition. But remember, these are not insurmountable. With the right strategies, you can find high-ticket affiliate programs, optimize your conversions, and scale your earnings to reach that coveted $500 a day. Cementing the key principles of promoting high-ticket offers and maximizing profits in your mind is the first step towards your success. This journey is one of learning, adapting, and growing, and guess what? You don't have to embark on this journey alone. So, subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and success stories in the world of affiliate marketing. The journey to $500 a day starts with a single step. Are you ready to take that step?